Good day, everyone. Learn how to record your laptop screen with video and audio. So you need to look at your keyboard and press the window key, shift key, and R as in Romeo together. And you will see a screen like this. So if you want to do the screen capture, you can select that. And if you want to do the screen recording, you can select that and then select the area where you want to. So I want to record the whole screen, and then you just need to unmute it. You can select your sound here. So I'll select the input device. So once you are done with the selection, just unmute it and then click on start, and this will start recording. It will also ask you to select your microphone access. You just need to allow yes, and it is started recording. You can see it is the time bar is coming, and you just need to click on stop recording, and you will have a window like this where you can edit the video in Clipchamp, which is a Microsoft Clipchamp, and then you can simply export it in a very easy manner after doing the editing. So this is the easiest way to screen record in laptop, especially in Windows 11 laptop. You can do the same in Windows 10 as well. And once you are done with the editing, you can simply go with the export. You can see right here. Right. So this is how you can do the recording of your whole screen in Windows 11 laptop or Windows 10. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.